Back. Here's my fourth secondary pumpkin on the massive plant. And some of you may ask yourself, is Bubba really gonna do it? Is he really gonna grow 3 pumpkins on a plant? Yes, I believe I will. And just real quick, don't worry about these stems, people. Stem splits, they're really not a serious problem. I think a lot of growers are looking for perfection. You won't get perfection in a plant. They're not automobiles. But anyways, back to the program. That's gonna be a beautiful orange pumpkin. I would have a hard time cutting that off. I'm gonna have to make some modifications in here because getting in and out of this is kind of difficult as we are on the edge of the plant. I am walking on the soil right there because we're on the outer edge of the wall. I will walk along the outer edge. It's out here in the center. I don't want to be crushing my root system, and it's just too difficult over there not to. But anyways, here's the main vine pumpkin. Here's one of my dilemmas. It's not super orange. It may be orange, but it's just going to be that probably peachy orange like mama. All right. So that's my main vine, much smaller, of course, at this point in time. And look at the pole. Look at the pole. I'm going to have to move this plank, and we may grow into the pole eventually and have to move the pole. But oh, it is what it is. I've already moved it over as much as I could, and I'm good with that. Then our third choice is, let me get back into my shoes. Get back into my Walmart shoes. All right. And I'll wear them over here so far, and then I'll walk on the dirt. Once we get over here to the outer edge, it's not that big of a deal. Here's my other pumpkin. All right. We'll lift the chair off. All right, here's the other pumpkin. It also will probably be orange. Maybe not as orange as that one over there, but looks like it'll probably be orange. I love the shape. This is the best shape of them all for getting big. I probably will cut that leaf off there eventually. It's probably going to be in the way. I try to keep the leaves on as long as possible. But anyways, there you go. There you have it. Bubba's Bermuda Triangle. Would you cut off one of these 2 big beauties for that main vine location? I just don't want to. I want to grow all 3 and see what they do. I'm pretty much, this is my plan. I'm not liking what the 1279 is doing, so this is going to be my plant for the year. So there you have it. Come to worldwidegiantgrowers.com and watch Bubba grow 3 pumpkins on 1 plant. Tiny bubbles times 3. I think the plant literally took it that way. I said tiny bubbles, so it threw me 3 big bubbles. I love that shape. Look at that shape. Join us at worldwidegiantgrowers.com for the summer of 2018 and watch tiny bubbles explode. Talk to you soon. Keep them growing.